All groups have norms or acceptable standards of behavior. Norms tell group members what they ought to do and what they ought not to do under certain circumstances. Conformity refers to the adjustment of one's attitudes and behaviors to align with the norms of the group. Because group members want to be accepted by others in the group, they are susceptible to conforming to the group's norms. This is because the group itself puts a lot of pressure on individual people to change their attitudes and behaviors to match the group's standards. Positive group norms can lead to positive outcomes, like improved commitment and higher job performance, but only if other factors are present as well. For example, clear roles, trust, high-quality relationships between the members and between each member and the leader, a productive culture, and so on. Like norms in general, individuals' antisocial actions are shaped by the work environment. Some research suggests that counterproductive work behaviors exist in situations where the group norms actually encourage the behaviors. In situations where it's normal to show up late, leave early, steal equipment, gossip. The important thing to note is that someone who wouldn't ordinarily engage in counterproductive work behaviors or deviant workplace behaviors might do so due to the norms and group pressures.